Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My brothers and sisters, I hope you are doing well. Today's verse of the day come from Surah Al-Imran, verse number 185. Allah mentions, Kullu nafsin dha'iqatul maut. Every soul shall taste death. Wa innama tuwaffawna ujurakum yawm al-qiyamah. You will be fully repaid only on the day of judgment. فَمَنْ زُحْزِحَ عَنِ النَّارِ وَأُدْخِلَ الْجَنَّةَ فَقَدْ فَازَ. And whoever is saved from the fire and admitted into paradise has truly succeeded. وَمَا الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا مَتَاعُ الْغُرُورِ. And the life of this world is nothing but a deceiving enjoyment. My brothers and sisters, Allah begins this verse by universal truth, by the statement that no human being can ever deny, and that is kullu nafsin dha'iqatul maut, that every soul shall taste death. Not the rich only, not the powerful, not the old, not the young one. Each individual, my brothers and sisters, has to leave this transient world when his or her time came. And second thing Allah mentioned, وَإِنَّمَا تُوَفَّوْنَ أُجُورَكُمْ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ. And you will be fully repaid for what you have done in this world only on the day of judgment. This is a very comforting part of this ayah. Sometimes we work towards something and we want reward immediately in this world. So Allah said, whether you are working hard for something or not, you may get it in this dunya. You may get some of it in this dunya. But fully, my brothers and sisters, Allah said, you will be fully repaid on the day of judgment, not in this dunya. So in other words, Allah is trying to educate us or trying to teach us that this dunya is not something where everything is going to settle. Dunya is not something where everything going to be finalized and you are going to get your result and you are going to get everything you want. Here good people suffer and bad people seems to be succeed in life, my brothers and sisters. So Allah say, yes, you are working hard, whatever effort you are making, whatever sacrifices you are making, I am fully aware of it and you will be fully repaid on the day of judgment. So have some sabr. Have some patience in your life. Don't worry. Allah said, I am not going to waste anything. I am not going to waste your effort or waste your sacrifices. You just continue what you are doing and you will be fully repaid on the day of judgment. Subhanallah. And then again, Allah mentioned, فَمَنْ زُحْزِحَ عَنِ النَّارِ وَأُدْخِلَ الْجَنَّةَ فَقَدْ فَازَ. Whoever is saved from the hellfire and admitted into paradise has truly succeeded. So true success is that, my brothers and sisters, you are saved from the hellfire. Allahu Akbar. In life we think, if my business is going good, I am successful. If I have money, if I have wealth, if I have status, if I have nice car, nice house, I have succeeded in my life. But Allah Almighty is saying this is not the criteria of being successful. This is not true success. True success is that you are saved from the hellfire on the day of judgment and you are admitted or you are given permission or entry into paradise. And at the end Allah mentioned, وَمَا الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا إِلَّا مَتَاعُ الْغُرُورِ. This life is just deceiving enjoyment, my brothers and sisters. So we make dua that Allah Almighty grant us tawfiq to prepare ourselves for the death, and we make dua that Allah Almighty grant us tawfiq to do much actions that we can be saved from the hellfire and admitted into paradise. Ameen. Bijahi Nabiyil Ameen sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.